Welcome back. Today we're going to talk about this Omega Speedmaster Moon Watch, but it's not just a regular Speedmaster Moon Watch that they're famous for. This is the Moon Phase Watch, as you can see right here at the 12 o'clock. This is reference 3576.50. Now we're going to go over the functionality of this watch. Some people get confused and think this is the seconds hand. This is actually the chronograph hand. This here is the seconds hand. This is the register, 30-minute register for the chronograph. This here is the hour register for the chronograph. This is the start and stop pusher of the chronograph. This is the reset pusher. This here is the crown. So I can give you a better view there. So we're going to start the chronograph. And as it goes around, the 1-minute register will go as this makes a complete rotation. This is also a date function on this moon phase, which is adjusted by this pusher here. The pusher here is for the moon phase. Now I don't know if we will capture it, but I think the camera will work. As the chronograph hand passes 12, this will advance 1 minute. Alright, and keep an eye on it, and there we go. So now, to stop the chronograph, and then to reset. This model also comes with a display case back. If interested, contact watchgrillclub.com.